Welcome back to Automotive World. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated return of the 2026 Honda Crosstour, a bold crossover that blends SUV capability with sedan-like comfort. After years away, the Crosstour is back and ready to make waves in a competitive market. The 2026 Honda Crosstour takes everything people loved about the original and brings it into the modern era. It features a more sculpted body, wider stance, and sleeker roofline, giving it a sportier, more upscale appearance. The front grille has been completely redesigned with LED lighting, a modern badge, and a stronger visual presence that gives off premium vibes. Under the hood, Honda is offering two engine options. The base model will come with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-four producing around 252 horsepower, perfect for those who want power without sacrificing efficiency. For buyers looking for more performance, a 3.5-liter V6 engine will return, pushing out close to 300 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, ensuring the Crosstour handles like a dream on both highways and rough terrain. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 Crosstour is where things get truly impressive. Honda has clearly focused on comfort, space, and technology. The layout feels driver-focused yet inviting, with soft-touch materials, a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and real wood or brushed aluminum accents depending on trim. The Crosstour offers seating for 5, with more rear legroom than ever before and a flexible cargo area made for weekend getaways or grocery hauls. Technology gets a big upgrade too. A large 12.3-inch infotainment screen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and there's a 12-inch digital instrument cluster with fully customizable layouts. Wireless charging, a premium Bose audio system, and built-in Google Assistant come standard on most trims. Safety remains a Honda priority, so expect the full Honda sensing suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and the new driver attention monitor. Fuel efficiency for the 2.0-liter turbo model is expected to land around 28 mpg combined, while the V6 will offer slightly lower figures. Honda is also rumored to be testing a hybrid version, but it may launch a bit later in select markets depending on demand. Now let's talk pricing. The expected starting price for the 2026 Honda Crosstour is around $36,000 for the base model with front-wheel drive. The fully loaded V6 AWD Touring trim is estimated to reach up to $45,000, depending on added options and packages. These prices make the Crosstour competitive with vehicles like the Subaru Outback, Toyota Venza, and even some luxury crossovers. With a striking new design, powerful engine options, high-end tech, and Honda reliability, the 2026 Crosstour is shaping up to be one of the most versatile and stylish crossovers in the market. If you're someone who wants SUV practicality with sedan elegance, the Crosstour might be your perfect match. That's all for today's review of the 2026 Honda Crosstour. Let us know in the comments, would you pick this over the Accord or CR-V? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest car reviews from Automotive World.